Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the TECNO Spark 30C. Alright, so all you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. Now you need to click on those three dots on the top right corner and now click on the settings. Find the chats. Now scroll a little bit to the downside and now tap on chat backup. Alright, now under the Google account we have the Google account that we are currently logged into, but if you want you can click on add. Now we need to wait a little bit. And in here, in this bar, simply type your other Google account, and if you don't have, you can also simply create it right in here. Now let's go back. Also, remember that if you want to restore your backup in the future, you will need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup. It's the account right in here, of course. Alright, below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, they will be set on off, but you can pick between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when it's a backup mode. I suggest you should pick at least daily or weekly. In my opinion, weekly or monthly is one of the best options, and that basically means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't have to do this manually. So it also saves a little bit of time and you don't need to worry that you will forget to back up your data. Below we also have option to include the videos. You can see that 1 megabyte will be uploaded, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right in here you basically create a unique password that you will need to restore your backup in the future. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Alright, so once everything is selected right in here, all you need to do now is to tap on this green button, backup. Now the process should start, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, you can also see the hour on which the last backup was made and the size of it. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.